Just a minute. Okay, Dave. Now we are going to start a new chapter, that is the Russian Revolution. So before that, it is the chapter 2. And before that, there was the one chapter, that was the French Revolution. So we are starting the social change in Russian Revolution. In this chapter, we discuss about the ruler job, and we will take the unit wise. Suppose today we discuss the first unit regarding this chapter, and later on we will divide into second unit. So first two unit we are going to discuss. Later on we will discuss rest of two unit. First, Russian society was divided into three categories. Division is going on. So Russian society was divided into three categories. First category is known as the liberals, radicals, and conservatives. So who were the liberals here? Liberals, they were against the privileges rights. What are the privileges rights? Privileges rights means suppose any one person who is getting the birthright, like getting the son right after their birth, like after death of father, son become a ruler. That is known as the birthright. जो जन्म के साथ ही जो rights मिलते हैं. So liberals, they were against the privileges rights. So they were against the privileges rights, means they were against the dynasty system or maybe the monarchy. We can say in other words, because both nations were ruled by the king. In French Revolution, Louis XVI, and in Russia was the ruler Tsar. Tsar was the main ruler inside the Russia. So liberals, that was the such society. These are three category of the society divided on the basis of their ideology. What type of ideology they have? So first, liberals have the ideology. They were against the privileges rights. They were against they were not in favor of the universal adult franchise. Of universal adult franchise, why they were not in favor of the universal adult franchise? Because they want to give a vote for those sections of the property only. यानी उन्हीं को वोटिंग राइट दिया जाए जिनके पास क्या है, प्रॉपर्टी, या who are paying the taxes. तो we can't say the democratic, fully democratic इनको नहीं कर सकते. Or which type of nation they need? They require a such nation which is fully trained by the trained judiciary. Judiciary trained होनी चाहिए. Judiciary, separation of power में आता है. You are studying in class here. There are two categories of the separation of power here. There are the two separation of power. One is the vertical, another one is the horizontal power sharing. Vertical and horizontal power sharing? No. Vertical, like this line known as the vertical line, and that is the horizontal line. So vertical power sharing, where the power sharing between the different levels, like at top level, later on second level, at the third level. So which one is the top level in our country? Central government. Later on power sharing to the state, later on power sharing to the local government. There are two types of local government, rural and urban. जो आप क्लास 6 में स्टडी किया था, rural administration, urban administration. Like those elections are conducted in rural area, that is known as the sarpanch, like this. And there are three categories of the sarpanch, जैसे पंचायत समिति, another one is the पंचायत समिति, local known as the ग्राम पंचायत, और third is for a जिला प्रमुख. So there are two categories of local, rural and urban. और in horizontal power sharing, all three organs in same power: legislature, judiciary, and executive. So these are the three categories. So liberals in favor of the trained judiciary. Trained judiciary should be required in their societies, and they were against they were against the universal adult franchise, and they were against the such privileges rights. So such type of ideology, those society in Russia known by the which name? Liberals. उनको liberals कहा गया. फिर मैं रिपीट कर देता हूँ. Who are the liberals? लिबरल्स और अगेंस्ट द यूनिवर्सल एडल्ट फ्रेंचाइज। उनका एक मानना था कि गवर्नमेंट शुड बी चूज बाय द मेजॉरिटी बट राइट टू वोट नॉट शुड बी फॉर एवरीवन। गवर्नमेंट तो मेजॉरिटी के थ्रू होनी चाहिए बट दे आर नॉट इन फेवर ऑफ द और स्पेशली फॉर ए वुमेन दे वर अगेंस्ट द वुमेन्स मींस द फॉर अ राइट टू वुमेन। तो दे वर अगेंस्ट द राइट टू वुमेन फॉर द लिबरल्स एंड प्रिविलेजेस राइट लाइक ए कैथोलिक चर्च सिस्टम जो रन करते थे वहां पे। तो सच टाइप ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी दोस community or society in Russia that known by the liberals. Another one is the radicals. Difference between the radicals, they were not against the private properties. They were not against the private properties. It's given in your book here. Origin में difference आता है 3 marks में. They were not against the private property, but they were against the property not should be concentrated only few hand. कि जैसे प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी के अगेंस्ट नहीं है बट ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि प्रॉपर्टी ओनली 5 to 10 रिच सोसाइटी या रिच फैमिली ऐसी जिनके पास सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉपर्टी है नेशन की। तो कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी इन फ्यू हैंड ओनली दे वर अगेंस्ट। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट? यानी दे वर नॉट अगेंस्ट द प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी। सपोज आई एम इन द प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी इन आवर कंट्री तो दे वर नॉट अगेंस्ट but they were against like a 10 family of India have the largest portion of the property like a Ambani family, Jamshedji Tata, Birla family like this. There are the many family which have the I hope 50 to 60% GDP of our nation. अगर आप top 20 families के नाम बनाओ तो आपकी कंट्री के अंदर फैमिली मतलब इंडियन फैमिली तो यू नो 50 to 60% GDP उन्हीं के पास है कंट्री में। तो they were against the concentration of property. And another one difference, they were in favor of universal adult franchise. यानी every person should be have right to vote. So that is the main difference between the both. They also support to the private property or against the few hand this property not a considered on few hand. But main difference between the liberals and radicals, they were not democratic, they were democratic. क्यों? Why? Because they in favor of universal adult franchise or they were not in favor of the right should be given to the women. Another one, third one is the conservative society. What were the conservative? Conservative society like they were in favor of changes, but changes should be in slow process. कुछ ऐसे थे those who were the supporters of the rulers. They were supporters of the rulers and till 18th century they reject the changes. कि no changes required in society till 18th century. But in 19th century when they feel कि changes should be required, so we must be respect the past or changes should be in slow process. So these are the 3 categories in Russian society. First one is the liberals, radicals, and third one is the conservative. First category. Not a democratic, बाकी rest of features are same between the first two. Second one is the complete democratic, against not against private property but against the property not a concentrated only few and only. Okay. Or third one till 18th century they were not accepted the change but when 19th century they feel कि changes should be required. कभी एक कैटेगरी ऐसी होती है कि when they feel सब कभी सोचते होंगे changes नहीं होना चाहिए पर उनको लगता है कि मैक्सिमम प्रोपोर्शन चेंजेस के फेवर में तो वी कांट डू नथिंग तो फिर वो उसी की लैंग्वेज बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो 19th सेंचुरी दे रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट द चेंजेस बट उनका ये कहना था कि वी मस्ट बी रेस्पेक्ट द पास्ट चेंजेस शुड बी इन स्लो प्रोसेस कि एकदम आप मोनार्की को इग्नोर मत कीजिए जैसे कि फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन में हुआ फर्स्ट मोनार्की लेटर ऑन सेकंड स्टेप में हम गए मोनार्की अलोंग विद कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लेटर ऑन नेशनल असेंबली फॉर्म हुई in French Revolution. After National Assembly formed, so election conducted and Robespierre formed the government. Robespierre formed the government. When Robespierre misused the government, that period known as the Rignot Terror, 1793 to 94, misused the power, guillotine machine innovation उस पैराग्राफ में आएगा जब मैं चैप्टर स्टडी कराऊंगा हिस्ट्री का। तो against the those who criticize the Robespierre तो लेटर ऑन रोबेस्पियर तो आफ्टर रोबेस्पियर में ना फ्रेंच सोसाइटी फील यार इफ एनी वन पर्सन ए सिंगल पर्सन विल बी रूल ए नेशन तो he or she may be misuse the power. तो why not in place of one person कि we should be follow the directory rule. So you know in France after Robespierre which system was started? Directory rule started. Or in directory rule what happens in place of one person, 5% started the rule. Different 5 organizations started the rule in French society. Later on what happens when a 5% started the rule inside the French society. So many times what happens they all are not agree for a single decision. Sometimes 3 may be agree, 2 may be against. तो थ्रू दिस व्हाट हैपन पॉलिटिकल इनस्टेबिलिटी जहां किसी भी नेशन में आती है ना तो एनीवन मे बी अटैक ऑन दैट पॉलिटिकल इनस्टेबिलिटी स्टार्ट हो गई इन फ्रेंच सोसाइटी जैसे टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ पाकिस्तान यू नो आज सबसे ज्यादा पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है कभी पावर चला जाता है आर्मी के पास सम टाइम टेररिस्ट मिसयूज द पावर तो सच नेशन पॉलिटिकल इनस्टेबिलिटी होती है धीरे धीरे चाइना बहुत से कंट्री इंटरफेयर करके वहां पे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं चाहे तो पॉलिटिकल इनस्टेबिलिटी started inside the French society. So who take the benefit? Napoleon Bonaparte. And Napoleon Bonaparte detail not given in your book, but he used the code 1804 civil code in class 10 we will study about that. And after that when Napoleon Bonaparte started the rule, so he also misused the power. Most of their relative appointed the higher post. उसने higher post. So he was defeated in Waterloo. Waterloo में defeat हुआ वो. और आफ्टर डेट व्हाट हैपेंस यू नो फ्रेंच बिकम ए रिपब्लिक फिर वापस वहां पे इलेक्शन होते हैं रिपब्लिक होती है और लास्ट यू नो देयर वाज द स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द स्लेव सोसाइटी आल्सो तो लास्ट पैराग्राफ इज गिवन रिलेटेड टू एबोलिशन ऑफ द स्लेवरी मूवमेंट तो यू नो रोबेस्पियर बेन द स्लेवरी मूवमेंट बट यू नो नेपोलियन स्टार्टेड अगेन और फाइनली इट वाज बेन इन 18 और ईयर इज गिवन इन योर बुक एंड फाइनली हाउ टू द एवरीडे लाइफ इज स्पेंट. So, like in this, there are Russian society were divided into 3 categories. They were the liberal, radicals, and the conservative. Second, one point to आता है that is the industrial society and social change. Second paragraph. First paragraph को related if you any doubt you may be asked. हो सकता है आप book नहीं लाए हो, but when you study at home you may be asked tomorrow. Okay? कल continue चलेगा. Second, that was the period of industrial changes. So industrial changes, you know, 18th, 19th century famous for the industrialization and railway expanded. You know, railway was expanded to develop the means of transport. To develop the means of transport, and that period was the innovation of steam engine also. Steam engine also innovated in that time. So you know, industrial society commonly found in that Russian society, and unemployment was common in that area. Unemployment, many people they are able to find a job. So there were the different type of slogans they used for a job or like unemployment. So unemployment situation was common inside the Russia. Railway was expanded to transport the raw material and final product or like for industrialization. When a first railway inside India, when we use the first railway in India, 1853. First railway started in India 1853 और between the Mumbai to Thane approximately 53 किलोमीटर या 49 किलोमीटर approximately ट्रेन लगी थी first time that is GK question not in your syllabus Mumbai to Pune between the Mumbai to Pune first railway train and another one industrialization is started. So you know what when industrialization situation so you know many people what happened which type of scenario you may be seen during the industrialization. Many people they are working for long hours. Their time period was not fixed. Some are getting the low wages, or you know working hours maybe their living standard not up to the mark. There is up to the mark. No proper medical facilities available. No proper facilities available. So this happens in our country also. Many times, many multinational companies ready to set up their industries inside India. You are studying class 8, chapter 10. Bhopal guest training. Why most of countries ready to set up their industries inside country because in our country safety measures ignored by the government. No such HR facility, house rent facility required for a labor. No minimum wages are fixed in our country. Or if government has fixed, so no one is following it. Working hours not a fixed in that our country. So that's why there are many countries who ready to set up their industry. or there was the example of also given Bhopal guest related to related till today आज तक भी उसमें जस्टिस नहीं मिला है, उसका चेयरमैन था एंडरसन, आज तक भी उसका जस्टिस नहीं मिला, शायद वो मर गया हुआ है भोपाल गेस्ट है। तो दिस टाइप ऑफ ड्यूरिंग द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट डेट इज द डेट कॉमन एंड डेट वाज द पीरियड 1850 में, इसलिए क्या है क्योंकि डेट वाज द पीरियड इन रशियन सोसाइटी मेनी कंट्रीज एज प्रमोट सोशलिस्ट सोसाइटी। तो सोशलिस्ट सोसाइटी हैज स्टार्टेड बिकॉज़ ड्यूरिंग द 1815 फ्रांस बिकम ए constituted assembly also 1850 में। तो यू नो फ्रांस है, रशिया है, जर्मन है, तो इनको देख के रशियन सिटीजन्स भी क्या हुए, इंस्पायर हुए टू प्रमोट द सोशलिस्ट, टू प्रमोट द रिपब्लिक नेशन, एक रिपब्लिक नेशन बनाने के लिए। कभी क्या होता है कि एनी मूवमेंट में बी स्टार्टेड इन आवर सराउंडिंग ना, तो वी मे बी इंस्पायर्ड थ्रू दैट। तो यू नो मेनी टाइम like a early time our artist use the different pictures for a motivational purpose for a freedom fighter. So you have seen the picture during the your class also, like a Bharat Mata picture where your Bharat Mata is captured by the through the different channel like this. तो हम फील करते हैं अंदर से कि हमें फ्रीडम चाहिए, यू नो महात्मा गांधी वाली पिक्चर्स, तो कितने पिक्चर्स यूज करते हैं मोटिवेट करने के लिए। These are the identity and symbol of the nationalism. So these were the 1.1, 1.2 we have studied. First one is the society was divided into three categories: liberal, radicals, and conservative. Second one is the what were the changes in the Russian society. So that was the period of industrialization and social changes in Russian. Or what were the changes? Unemployment was common, railways expanded, industrialization, living working hours too much long. They are getting the low wages, no proper facilities for them. So this was the common. So 2 units we have studied, rest of 2 continue. Okay, dear, continue. So now we have discussed to first sub unit and third is the 1.3, the coming of socialism. So there were many lessons who started the approach for the socialism. We have discussed there were the German, France, and the UK also, United Kingdom. And so you know in this to what type form of socialism should be inside Russian. हम कभी प्लान कर लेते हैं पर what type of society inside the Russian. So you know there are cooperative sector. They have demand for the socialist. So there are 3 type of society या you know mostly होती है nations में. One is the capitalist, socialist, and third one is the mixed. Capitalist, socialist, and mixed. Capitalist means what? When a resources under the mostly private hand only, most of few hand only, that is only the capitalist. In this, most of resources under only the few hand, like a USA is the example of capitalist. In the USA is the capitalist country. In this, most of resources are under the few and only, and socialism is the when the resources should be under the society. So Russia was the good example for the socialist society. So you know at the last we will study about in this Russian chapter we will study how to this promote the socialist. So they also cultivated the land as through the whole society, and after harvesting equally they share the profit. That is given in your book. That was at the last we will study. You know that through this we can say Russia was the socialist society. Russia क्या था, एक socialist था, उनके अंदर feelings थी, emotions थे socialist के. They started the socialist society in Russia. तो socialist society उसको बोलते हैं जहाँ पे most of resources under only society. जैसे suppose hospitals in this country, तो यहाँ private कुछ private property जैसे private hospitals है, some are the government part, some are the different. But in a socialist only सभी चीजें किसके अंदर आएगी? सोसाइटी, यानी गवर्नमेंट या जो भी सोशलिस्ट है उसी के रिसोर्सेज रहेंगे सब. जैसे कि रशिया इज द सोशलिस्ट नेशन. इंडिया इज द मिक्स इकोनॉमी. मिक्स इकोनॉमी में दोनों होते हैं, कैपिटलिस्ट प्लस सोशलिस्ट. तो इन आवर कंट्री सम आर द सोशलिस्ट लाइक हॉस्पिटल, ये सब कैसे है? गवर्नमेंट के अंदर है. ओके, like you will pay the 5 to 10 rupees, you can take your treatment. कितना minimum cost पे? तो socialist feelings है. Or capitalist at the same time private hospital where you pay the higher charges for a medical facilities. तो हमारी कंट्री मिक्स इकोनॉमी सोशलिस्ट प्लस कैपिटलिस्ट ओके तो थर्ड कैटेगरी इज द लिबरल तो इन दिस दे प्रमोट हर कंट्री में जो चेंजेस एंड रेवोल्यूशन होता है डिपेंड ऑन द फिलोसोफर who written the futures who written give the a different type of theme given by them so different philosopher written the different types of book inside the socialist society so there was the one philosopher and economic that played the important role that was the Karl Marx Karl Marx ideology was given in Russian society or according to Karl Marx profit inside the industries come through the hard work of labor only किसी भी ओनर प्राइवेट ओनर को प्रॉफिट कब होगा जब उसके एम्प्लॉयज यूनिटी में वर्क करेंगे और हार्ड वर्क करेंगे तो इनसाइड द इंडस्ट्रीज ऑल वर्कर्स आर वर्किंग टुगेदर एंड प्रॉफिट फाइनली प्रॉफिट कम एंड वेयर द प्रॉफिट विल शेयर टू ओनर्स और टू ऑल एम्प्लॉयज अगर किसी इंडस्ट्रीज में जो प्रॉफिट हो रहा है सपोज जैसे बिरला सीमेंट जैसे 500 करोड़ रुपीस का प्रॉफिट हुआ है लास्ट कैलेंडर ईयर इकोनॉमिक कैलेंडर ईयर में मार्च टू जो अप्रैल को मार्च होता है 500 करोड़ रुपीस तो इट विल बी गोन टू द ओनर ऑफ वेल प्रॉफिट ओनर फैक्ट्री ओनर ना तो ये कार्ल मार्क्स इसके अगेंस्ट है कि प्रॉफिट कम थ्रू द हार्ड वर्क ऑफ वर्कर तो व्हाई नॉट इट शुड बी शेयर्ड अमंग द लेबर जरूरी नहीं पूरा लेबर में शेयर करो बट थोड़ा बहुत उसका लेबर में भी तो शेयर होना चाहिए क्योंकि किसके रिजल्ट से आ रहा है प्रॉफिट थ्रू द हार्ड वर्क ऑफ द लेबर मींस द ऑल एम्प्लॉयज आई एम डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द होल एम्प्लॉयज तो इट इज कमिंग थ्रू द हार्ड वर्क ऑफ लेबर तो व्हाई नॉट इट शुड बी शेयर इनसाइड द टू द लेबर आल्सो तो दिस टाइप ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी वाज गिवन बाय द कार्ल मार्क्स और ऐसी आइडियोलॉजी जब लेबर और जहां ऐसी सोसाइटी रहेगी उसको मिलेगी तो दे विल स्टार्ट द मूवमेंट they start the support to the such ideology and many who were exploited by the capitalist जैसे long working hours के लिए वर्क करवा रहे हैं and sometimes low wages there is no such living standard or proper facilities given to them so they started the movement against the capitalist after when ideology was given by the Karl Marx so that was the 1.3 कि how do we form the socialist society in Russia कुछ एक आइडियोलॉजी लेनी चाहिए तो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ आइडियोलॉजी फॉलोइंग बाय द रशियन सोसाइटी दैट वाज द कोऑपरेटिव टाइप एंड सोशलिस्ट कि जहां पे सब रिसोर्सेज सोसाइटी के अंदर है और दिस थ्योरी वाज गिवन बाय द कार्ल मार्क्स एंड दे स्टार्टेड द मूवमेंट अगेन तो ऐसा ही आपके सेक्टर आपने ये भी कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर ही आया तो सच टाइप ऑफ टॉपिक यू स्टडी इन क्लास 8 आपको ध्यान में बता देता हूं पब्लिक सेक्टर private sector joint sector and cooperative sector which public sector means when any institution set up by only government private when anyone set up by maybe the property of the private sector only joint sector when anyone industry set up by private plus government that is known as the joint sector like a Maruti Industries ऐसा ना इंडस्ट्रीज में और लास्ट वन कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर व्हेन अ इंडस्ट्री सेट अप बाय प्रोड्यूसर एंड सप्लायर who supply the raw material तो इंडस्ट्री सेट अप बाय द प्रोड्यूसर who install the industry or maybe the suppliers who supply the raw material अब like a raw material supplied by the those people who are living in the surrounding like a milk raw material सप्लाई बाय द those people who are living in that area and owners तो वो प्रॉफिट जाएगा सप्लायर प्लस प्रोड्यूसर like a dairy like a Amul Dairy in Gujarat is the example of cooperative sector Amul Dairy in Gujarat is the example of cooperative sector तो industry set up by producer and supplier means that those who are working inside the industry is also supplier हो गया So these are the example of the cooperative sector. Next one is the support for socialism. अब you know they start the ideology inside the Russia to make a socialist society, but really they are getting the support from the other nation. क्योंकि when any movement may be started inside the country, तो it should be affected by other nation also. अब जैसे जैसे इंडिया हैज मेड द कोविड-19 जो टीका बना दिया, तो आप क्या सोच रहे हो ये जो इसके नेबरिंग नेशन से जिनको सप्लाई करेगा, तो इंडिया की इमेज इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे इंप्रूव होगी नहीं होगी? और जो उसके सपोर्टिंग जो सराउंडिंग नेशन है, चाइना जैसा नेशन चाहेगा कि इंडिया की रैंक इंप्रूव हो, तो लाइक दिस, तो मेनी टाइम हाउ टू दे इफेक्ट द, तो वो सी बात ऐसे नेबरिंग नेशंस क्या होते हैं, उनसे बहुत इफेक्ट पड़ता है। सम टाइम हम उनसे मोटिवेट होते हैं, इंस्पायर होते हैं। तो इफ एनी वन कंट्री में बी द मोनार्की, एनी वन डेमोक्रेटिक, या बोथ कंट्रीज आर द मोनार्की, और इनसाइड द एनी नेशन वेयर द मूवमेंट में बी स्टार्टेड फॉर ए रिपब्लिक और फॉर ए डेमोक्रेसी, तो अदर नेशन दूसरे में भी मूवमेंट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है इंस्पायर होकर। तो there were many nations who has formed the different association or union, labor union form की थी, for what? To improve the living condition of a labor. So England and Germany are the two nations which are the example. In England, Labour Party has formed as a union, or in Germany, Social Democratic Party is formed. To improve, what was the demand? First one demand was the reduce the working hours, increase the wages, living standard, better facilities for the labor, like this. और after that we'll study how the strike started inside the Russia. अब यहाँ से एक इंडस्ट्री में स्ट्राइक हो जाएगी, फिर वहाँ से मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, ब्लडी संडे, अक्टूबर रिवोल्यूशन, these are the part. So these are the four, only 8 यूनिट हमने आज स्टडी किए। First one was the how to the Russian society was divided. Russian society was divided into 3 categories. Later on we have discussed what type of society inside the Russia. So that period was the industrialization. So that was the period of social and economical changes. Social changes means the in living standard, many children may be attracted by the many industries owners for employment or like. So that was the unemployment was common in that area. What type of people are living in that area? Most of depend on the industries. Railway is expanded to that type of thing we can see inside the during second unit. Third unit related to the coming of socialism. How to the different people inspired by the different philosophers. So one of them, Karl Marx was one, who gave the idea of cooperative. What was the cooperative sector according to Karl Marx? If profit come through the hard work of the labor, so it should be shared to the demons. Okay, so many people may be inspired by this statement and started the movement. So they also inspired by the different nations like German and UK, where the already different union has formed, like a Labour Party in the England and another one Social Democratic Party, and Russia also formed an international body, and that body known by the Second International. It also given you. Okay. So we have completed today's topic.